none of the other plumbing is slow, like the toilet in the bathroom or anything.
It's just a sink.
Just this one.
Yeah.
I took a water bottle and I started filling this up, and toward the end of the water bottle, it started filling up back to here.
Okay. Oh, okay. So it did back up, and you just. Was it always like this, or was it?
No, it's been probably about 6 months now.
Oh,
and we've just been dealing with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Could have been the renovation inside? Do you think could have been painters or something putting paintbrushes in the sink, or?
I did the renovation myself, so
okay.
I don't
never
think it
mind.
was anything like that.
Never mind. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I can show you downstairs where this connects to.
So yeah, we removed a bit of hair.
Oh, it's hair?
Yeah, so the beauty of this type of service, this type of snake, is it's essentially wall-to-wall cleaning. So that chain is rubbing the entire diameter of the wall.
Like polishing
cholesterol, exactly. Like because a conventional snake wouldn't have this. It would just be a straight tip with no chains.
Yeah.
Not what you need here, unless it was very blocked. Like it wouldn't drain at all.
Yeah.
So as you could probably hear me, I was barely going because of the age of the house. Because of the age of the pipes.
Yeah.
But I ran it 3 times.
Oh, okay.
I ran it 3 times and pulled out back. So yeah, the trick in an older home, if it was ABS, if it was the black pipe, it would be no problem. I could go to town on it.
Yeah.
But this thing, I was probably going at 1/3 of the capacity of it. And the result, perfect. I ran it at full bore.
Oh, okay.
At certain points.
Yeah.
And
So
we're clear
nice.
on that front. And you're essentially back to a new pipe.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Because the water coupled with this would create like a tornado.
Yeah, and just flush everything.
And flush everything out. And it's gravity based anyway. So it'll drain as we're introducing water. It's always going to drain. It's always going to drain as we're advancing and as we're introducing water. So all that caviar and cholesterol inside there is no more.
Oh.
It does have an expiry date.
Yeah.
You know, you're right. So another thing I noticed is you use shark bites.
Yes.
You use shark bites. Just be careful with them, right? Because
you have bad experience.
You're
not a big fan.
Not a big fan. What you could do, let's say, did you do all the pipe work?
Yeah.
What you could do is just that obviously goes down vertically into some hot line down here, right?
Yeah.
Hot and cold line. You could buy an actual crimp 90,
Yeah.
and pre-assemble it up here and fish it down.
Oh, okay.
And fish it down. And then you wouldn't have to deal with the shark bite, because I can see, like, even there, like, you marked the insertion depth, but it's not all the way in.
Okay.
You see that black line?
Yeah, yeah.
So stuff like that, and I would to turn the valve and the whole thing rotated on me.
Okay.
Yeah, just an observation. I myself, I don't like whatchamacallit. I don't like them.
The shark bites.
I don't like them. No, yeah. Want to make sure that no glue gets into those threads. Close call. Okay. Slack, and that closes nice and easy. Yeah. That's what we want to hear. Good, mowing, very good. You didn't go for like the Home Depot ones, you went for mowing.
Yeah. Pretty good.
For warranty and everything. And
Replacement parts are pretty good as well.
very. That is very good. That is like back to 1950.
Yes, exactly.
Draining. I think he was hung in November 1920 in Mountjoy prison, and then I think he was buried there on the grounds of the prison.